workers there, but watch in front, girls, round the left side, yeah? Have a look at all these. Here they are, Ben.
Whoa! They're beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh my god.
There's loads.
Beautiful.
Loads. Last year it wasn't like this. Go.
On the day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 4 calling birds, 3 friends, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. Day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 6 geese a lay, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
We've gone 7, haven't we?
On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans out swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 11 peppers piping, 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
This is crazy town. Too many cars and too many people. And too many traffic. Come on now. Come on now, flow, flow. Ella, have you got your belt on? Right, that's my shop. So that's all my design there. Not.
That's the Apple shop.
Apple? Where? Lacoste? iPhone. What, she works there?
iPhone's up.
Ah. I thought you said April.
Look.
Apple.
I thought you said April.
Mom.
Yeah.
Mom, look, the Apple Centre.
Yeah.
My iPad.
You're not gonna buy Apple?
My iPad.
What, I pay?
No.
When's you gonna pay anything anyway?
It's iPad, I pay.
I want iPants.
Look at the top stairs. Look at the Tesco.
That wasn't really good, that Christmas tree. I thought
Well, I'll be honest with you, I thought the lights would...
I'm expecting a bit more. But it's like just, you know, it's just a normal tree being put.
You want the moon on a stick, innit?
Well, no, my tree better than that at home.
Oh, we're going back.
We're going back. Yeah. We're all gonna spend your daddy's money. Not.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Our Father is to ride on one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Our Father is to ride on one horse open sleigh.
Oh, I can feel the Christmas.
We go laughing all the way, ha ha ha. Bells are twinkling, making spirits rise.
Well, it's nice. Larry would like this. Larry would like this. Oh, the English taxi.
Dashing through the snow in one horse open sleigh. Oh, laughing as we go, laughing all the way. Ha 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 ha! Bells and bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to laugh in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. Dun dun.
Who's been to Hamley's?
Me. No. I haven't.
You're not been.
I haven't been to Hamlin's, Dad.
Right, well I'll take you, yeah? Not now, but soon, yeah? Before Christmas.
Dad, when we go in there, can I get one of those things?
No.
Very big. Right.
Hello.
Hey.
And bring it out and tell me if this is cool. Do you have to pay to go in Hamlin's? No.
I think so.
There it is, Hamlin's. Hamlin's. Where's Hamlin's? There! What's Hamlin's?
So cool.
Hamlin's is really good.
Wow.
Wow.
See that one there?
Oh, what is that thing?
I miss Hamlin's. I want to go to Hamlin's.
It's a nice Christmas ball there. It's quite big, isn't it?
Got the bowl.
Yeah. It's good. Who is that guy? Is he famous? It's nobody. You need to be like a police to look like Bond, isn't it? I think that's the new taste of the British, isn't it?
What's that, mate?
Daddy,
The police.
Daddy,
Police looking.
Daddy,
No, not British at all.
Daddy.
Yeah, love.
Iconic.
If you put Santa Claus, say Nicholas,
No, we're putting Father Christmas.
Mom?
Father Knick-Knack.
Mom?
Yes?
I want to go shopping here one day.
Yeah. You come with me, girl.
This is called Oxford Street and Regent Street. This is the crossroads of Oxford Street that crosses over that road there. You see, it's called Oxford Street that side and that side. And straight ahead, and this road is Regent Street. So you have the Regent Street and Christmas tree lights.
Yeah, I know that, Shapella.
Come on, who's sitting on the
I had
traffic?
lasers here when I was a kid. Yeah, babe.
That's a nice shop. FCUK. It sounds a bit like a sparrow.
Oh.
Look up.
Come on. I can't wait here all day. La 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 la. Oh, look at that. That is pretty.
You see them?
Yeah.
Oh! Mama, go.
You can't turn left. Look, this is look like Chinatown now.
Look at that! That green and red thing.
It done that last year.
Look at that.
That one on the top. Can I go shopping there?
Look at that giant thing.
Wow, that's going to be madness going all the way back down that way.
Seriously?
Isn't it?
Christmas tree. Down the Christmas tree, we can see it.
It's cold, man.
Cold. There it is. It was something shaky.
I wonder how his Indonesian embassy looks like. Did they do anything? Do you want to go there?
Thatcher over there with the eros, it's called. The guy with the, they've covered it up, but it's normally like fountain.
Yeah.
Angel. It's eros.
Mom,
I think.